Dr. David Kulla with Synergy Wellness in New York City. Today we're going to discuss corporate wellness or wellness in the workplace. Companies are spending millions and millions of dollars on healthcare premiums and lost productivity due to sick days and just employee improductivity. So there's been a large movement to corporate wellness or wellness in the workplace for companies to help save on healthcare costs and also to provide a satisfied, healthy workforce. And when you have satisfied, healthy employees and they're working hard, your company does well and your company does better. And corporations know this, so they're really investing in their own workforce and their own employees. So Synergy Wellness, or my company, how we fit in, we've been doing corporate wellness, been in the field for almost 20 years. Next year will be my 20th anniversary in the field. And I've worked with medium to really large size companies, some of the biggest banks in the world. We're located here in New York City, so we have access to some pretty amazing companies that are doing some really amazing things for their employees. We have a lot of different programs, everything from massage days to physical therapy and chiropractic on-site at your office, and even lunch and learns, wellness workshops, a lot of different things. So if you have any questions about corporate wellness or wellness in the workplace for you or for your company, feel free to comment below and we'd be happy to help you out and answer any questions.